Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for always stopping by. In today's video, I want to talk about a particular recipe you should use if you are always scared or if people are after your life. Most of us know that people are actually after our lives, but we don't know how to fight them. We don't know the right thing to do. They keep coming in form of animals, they come in form of witchcraft attack, they keep sending arrows of death to us, they keep sending arrows of stagnation to us, they keep sending spiritual poison to us. There is something you can do to put an end to it. Sometimes they will send charms to you. The charms, some of them is even affecting you today. You feel movement all over your body. You feel hotness all over your body. You feel as if there is an arrow in your body. At times it comes like a needle, choking you all over your body. You've done so many things. You've gone to the hospitals. You've taken so many medications, and the arrows are still there. The needle pin, the pin you feel is still there. Your body is not feeling the way it used to feel. At times it moves as if it's an object moving all over your body. At times it comes like something jumping or crawling all over your body. At times it comes in a particular part of your body. I have a solution to it. And when you do this, believe you me, anything that is charm, anything black magic, none of them will have effects in your life. At times they drop it on the ground for you. Once you step on it, you start feeling hotness all over your body. You start feeling swollen legs, swollen body, and so on and so forth. So I'm here today to share with us what you should do so that no man, no woman can terminate your life. No man, no woman can send arrows of death to you and it will penetrate your body. By the grace of God, when you do this, anything evil projection will never work for you. Anything black magic will never work against you. All you need to do is to watch the video and do exactly what I want to share with us. So the first thing you're going to be having for this recipe to work for you is eggshell. Yes, eggshell. Any kind of egg. Just when you eat your egg, instead of throwing the shells away, keep it. I want to use this one to prepare for somebody, so I say let me share it on the channel so that everybody will learn. So how do you use it? When you get your eggshell, you dry it. This one is properly dry. Dry it. You can use your oven to dry it. You can sun dry it. Just make sure it's completely dry. You can see it. This one is completely dried. Then you're going to get your alum. I've made so many videos on alum because most of us don't know how powerful alum is. We all know alum as a purifier. Use it to purify your water. Use it to wash your snail. Use it. Some people use it to tighten their VJ. So whatever thing you use it to do, I want to share with all the spiritual usage of alum. So this is the second ingredient. You're going to get your alum. Then the third one is potash, which is limestone. Yes, that is what is many people know it as. This is potash. When you're cooking a very strong food, you add it to soften it. If you are an African, we use it to prepare African salad. We use it to soften our food like beans, meat. There's a kind of meat you will buy. You will use this to soften it, to make it to cook very fast. That is what we use it basically in the kitchen to do. So now the spiritual aspect of this alum, of this potash is too much. It's something you can use to deal with your enemies. Those people that feel that they can terminate your life, those people that feel they can destroy your life, those people that feel that they can mess up with your life. Please do not be scared of them. Just do exactly what I am going to teach us and watch them run away from you. They will keep running until they confess their sins. And if they keep trying you, they may go down before you. Okay? Yes. Remember what happened in the Bible? Judas Iscariot died before Jesus Christ. Anybody that is after your life must die before you. Just as simple as that. Make sure your hands are clean. Don't plan of doing anything evil to the person. Rather, keep sending it back to them. The arrows will fight them. So when you get these three ingredients together, you can see, then you are going to get a mortar or a grinding stool or a blender, whatever you can use to make these things to be in the powder form. Like I always advise people on this channel, get a mortar. Even this one can pound this thing perfectly. Yes, you can get something bigger than this. You can get the wooden one. You can get your blender or your grinding stone. Just make sure you get something you can use to powder it. That is all I need. So what do? You are going to get your eggshell. This is my eggshell. You put it inside the mortar. You are going to get your potash or your limestone. You add it inside your mortar. Then you take your alum, you add it inside your mortar and begin to pound together. You can pound one after the other depending on your strength. Okay, yes, if you cannot pound the three together, you can start with this. Then after that, you put your your eggshell before you now put your potash. Is the simplest to pound. Other ones are a bit tough to pound. So after pounding it, you are going to get a white container with cover or with lid. You store it there. Then in the entrance of your house, depending on the kind of compound you live, in front of your gate, if that is where they always keep it, just sprinkle it there. If you have a business, maybe some of you complain that they keep dropping charms in front of your shop to scare you away, to make you not to enter your shop. Just sprinkle this thing there and go your way. Yes, just sprinkle it there round your shop, in front of your shop, sprinkle it there and go away. Or another way you can do it is to mix it with water. When you mix it with water, hot water, allow it to cool down, you pour it there, that settles it. Or you sprinkle it in front of your shop. Anybody with evil intention that crosses that thing, that charm, that black magic the person is carrying will be neutralized immediately. Even in front of your house, so many people come into your house with bad and negative intention. Anybody that comes with anything evil in their mind, once they cross that thing, everything they carry in their mind or in their pocket will be neutralized. The charm they are carrying about will no longer be effective on you. Even in front of your gate, you can equally drop it. In your office, just sprinkle it. Even on your chair, before you sit, just sprinkle it. Use it to clean your chair, depending on how deadly your colleagues are. Most of us today are sick today as a result of evil colleagues, evil friends. So use this thing to neutralize every of their spells, every of their black magic, every of their jars that they carry around, every of their charm that they carry about in order to destroy you as the victim. Most of us are not spiritually strong. So use this to protect yourself by carrying it about. You will see how God is going to protect you from these evil people. Sprinkle it all over anywhere you stay, in your shop, in your house, in your office, just around you, and see how those their evil charms will start working against you. And if you're the type that hears strange voices in the night, use this mixture to take your bath. You can equally sprinkle it around the four corners of your bed and see how God is going to defeat your enemies. You can equally use this mixture to stop eating in the dream by putting it under your pillow. The powder, just put it in a nylon bag like this or a ziploc and put it under your pillow. Any evil manipulation, they will not be able to see you, they will not be able to attack you, they will not be able to molest you while you are asleep. So try this simple assignment and make sure you come back for your testimony. You can share a testimony in the comment section or on my WhatsApp number. I've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye.